Hello, children. How are you today? Today we are going to talk about animals, and at the same time, can you see? We are going to make finger puppets. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 animals for the finger puppets. So here, let's see, what animal is this? Oh no! Do you know what animal is this? It's a cow. So here, okay children, don't forget to get your pencil. So we have here, before that, we have here a scotch tape, our scissors, don't forget, this is dangerous, and then we have here a colored pencil. So when we write the names of the animals, remember, use something dark, okay? So I'm gonna use the black, okay? So here, we have to write the names of the animals inside the box here. So, cow. How do we spell cow? Okay, children, please follow me. So C-O-W, right? Okay. And the next one, we have here the rabbit. Okay, so I'm gonna write the rabbit. So children, okay, I'm gonna write here R-B-B-I-T, rabbit. And then the next one, what is this? It's a dog. Okay. Okay, right? Okay, next one, we have a mouse. So M-O-U-S-E. And then we have here the duck. D-U-C-K. And the last one, we have the horse. H-O-R-S-E. Okay, so this time we are going to color the animals. So here, okay, first one is the cow. Okay, now we're finished. Let's go to the rabbit. Oh, I'm gonna color the rabbit. Okay, then we have here the dog. I wanna color my dog. Red. Okay, now we have the mouse. So I want to color the mouse brown. So now we're done with that. Let's color the next animal, which is the duck. Okay, I'm gonna color the duck yellow. Okay, we're finished, and now we are going to the horse. So, okay, I'm gonna color this one red for the bridle. And now, students, we are finished coloring our animals. And this time, children, we are going to cut out the animals. So we have here scissors. This one is for the smaller circle is for your thumb, and we can use your two thumbs for the bigger one. Okay. So, but for teacher, okay, if you have your mommy and daddy, we can use the bigger scissors. So this time, oh, mommy and daddy's, you can help your children. So first, we have to cut out this individually, so your children can cut it out by themselves. This is helping them to be more independent. Okay, be careful. Okay, and now we are finished. So let's start. So children, now you can see that we're finished with the coloring and cutting out the 6 animals. So now this is our time to use the scotch tape, okay? So just don't cut too much. You can use just a little bit. And then you ask your mommy and daddy to help you out. So here, at the back of your finger, you can use the scotch tape and tape it around your finger. Okay, right? So we're finished, and then we'll move on to the next animal. So we're going to do the same thing. So here, it's easier. Put it on one side and tape it around to close. Okay. Next animal. And tape it around. So children, you can ask your mommy and daddy to help you. And this is, yes, oh, we're almost finished. We have 2 animals left. And children, I hope you're enjoying your activity for today. And the last one, yay! Okay, this part. And around this part. So children, so we have how many animals? We have 6 animals. So children, here, so we have, since we have 6 finger puppets, so all you can do is divide it into 3. So I'm going to use these and these for here, and here, and here, and here, right? Okay.
Farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, and an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh neigh here and a neigh neigh there, and a quack quack here and a quack quack there, and an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Okay, so students, here we have the dog, woof woof, a rabbit, and then a mouse, and the cow, moo moo, and the duck, quack quack, and a horse, neigh neigh. So these are the animals that live in the farm. I hope you like our activity for today. Don't forget, you can use this in your Zoom classes, okay? And don't forget, mommy and daddy, to take a picture and send it to your teacher. See you next time.